Hello guys, so today is about a quick animation tip in Blender. So what I want to do with this character is to have it blink, so close one eye only. But the structure of my character doesn't allow me to do that easily. So as you can see, the blink layer has two eyes instead of one, so two eyes in one layer, and there is a shadow layer too under the blink. So if we hide the eyes, we have a blink and we have the shadow of the blink, and also the eye is made of several layers. I thought first of using a mask, but I already have mask in here and there were some conflicts. It was a pain, and I thought of duplicating the eye and the blink layers and edit the duplicates to remove one eye and one blink and have that blink. But it is a pain duplicating all these layers too, and it would look messy here. So finally, the easiest option was to use the frame per frame options in my rigged character. So how to do that? So first we select our character here, our grease pencil object. I want to unlock the layers that I need, the blink shadow, and all the layers of the eye. And we have here auto lock activated, so you see all the layers that we unlocked are locked again. So we disable auto lock, and then we lock everything, and then we unlock what we need. We have, I think, 6 layers for the eye and 2 layers for the blink. Here in the dub sheets panel under grease pencil, you see in frame 1, I think, yeah, we have our keyframes here. So we go to the place where we want to have the blink, and we duplicate this guy. So we select here the first keyframe to select all the other keyframes, and you see the frames that are unlocked, the layers that are unlocked are selected. And now we hit Shift D and duplicate this guy here to frame 21, as you can see. And here we can go to edit mode and start editing our layers. So let's unhide our blink. You see some of these layers are selected. We want to select this eye and delete it, but not the blink. The blink, we want to delete this part here, not this one. So we hide the blink for now. We select all this part here. We will only select the eye layers because the other layers are locked. So now our eye is selected. We hit X and then P to delete the eye. Okay, now we hide our eye and unhide our blink layers, and now we select the left blink, XP, and we delete this guy. Okay, now here if we move with the arrows on the keyboard to frame 20, you see that we have both eyes and both blinks, and here we have our blink. Now we want the guy to blink for like 3 frames, so with the arrows 1, 2, 3 on frame 24, and then we go to frame 25, and here we duplicate again from frame 1, Shift D, voila, we have our eyes and blinks back. Okay, so I guess now you know how to do it. What we need to do next is to go back to object mode, and here in the dub sheet, go to dub sheet. Instead of grease pencil, select dub sheet. So we want to keyframe our layers here. So in frame 20, we want to hide our blink and blink shadow, or yeah. So we hide them, and right click and click insert keyframe. Then in the shadow also we right click and insert keyframe. Now we go to frame 21, we add a keyframe again for the blink, so insert keyframe and again insert keyframe, and here we want to unhide the blink. So you go to frame 20 and then 21, the blink is hidden, and now we can see it. So we go again to frame 25, insert keyframe and hide it, and then here also insert keyframe and hide it. And I guess yes, it works. But do we need these keyframes here? I think we can bring them to frame 1 here. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah. Okay, so now we have our blink. Our job is finished. What I want to do next is to go to our rig here, go to pose mode, control tab. Let's change now to action editor here. Let's do some animation of this brow here. So here we want the brow to be down here, but before that, like 2 frames before, let's select the brow bone and then hit I on the keyboard to create a keyframe for rotation, and then I again to create it for location. Or we could have just done this location and rotation directly. Again, we move with the arrows to here, and G move this guy here, and then R and rotate it a little bit here. So now we have this animation, and here again we duplicate this keyframe, Shift T, and we go like 2 frames again and duplicate this guy, Shift T, and voila, we have a nice blink. Let's add one more animation. Let's go here and select this bone, hit I rotation to create a keyframe, and then go here and R, rotate the guy like this, and then back here, select this guy, Shift D, duplicate it, and voila. This is the simplest way I found to create the blink. A case of Blender flexibility where you can use rigging and frame per frame with your grease pencil and simplify your work and do wonderful thing. Voila, thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, please check my Gumroad in the description. Buy anything you like from there. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and see you in a next video. Peace.